to write concept map of theme 4. We will write our concept map of theme 4 in our notebook. Yes, we will see what are the topics and what are the subtopics we are going to cover in this theme 4. Okay. Shreyas Rao, sit properly and take out your notebook. Shreyas, take out your notebook. P. Kartika, Krishika Ji, Zaidur Rahman, Aditya Ram, Riyansika, Shri Hassan, Kushal. Everyone take out your notebooks. Yes, take a new page now. Come on now. What is today's date? 9/11. Right at the top, concept map. Concept map. Next, in the first line, let us write now. Theme 4. Which theme we are going to start? Theme 4. And in theme 4, what is our theme name? What is the name of our theme now? Our universe. Our universe. Our universe. In our universe, first one we are going to take global English. In global English, which chapter we have? We are going to complete in this theme 4. The chapter name is Fun and Games. The Big Sky. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. What is the chapter name? The Big Sky. The Big Sky. Second one, we have a novel, Heidi. Heidi novel. We are going to cover 1 to 5 chapters. Chapter 1 to 5. And third one we have language. Language means grammar. Third one, grammar. Let us take as language. Under language, we have so many topics which we have to cover in this theme 4. First one, you have prepositions. Next one, you have use of suffix. Use of suffix. Next one, we have nouns. Noun gender. Determinants. Use of will. Will. When and why we will use this will. These topics we will cover under the language. See, so many new topics we have in theme 4. Lots of things we have to learn. Each and every topic is very, very important, children. Yes, if you miss a class or if you are absent for the day or even one day if you are absent, you are going to miss lots of things. Yes, each and every topic is very important. You have seen now the big sky we are going to cover from the global English. And Heidi, how many chapters we have in Heidi? 5 chapters we have to complete in this theme 4. And language, under language, see how many topics we are going to cover now. Prepositions, use of suffix, nouns, noun gender, determiners, use of will. Read and write. Shrivas and Shrihasan, stop fighting and write fast. Done, children? Krishika G, Advait Aryan. Any doubt, beta? AVK Ganesh, Advait Aryan. Children, raise your hands. Still anybody's writing, let me know. Let me know if still anybody's writing, raise your hands. Okay, AVK Ganesh, Advait Aryan, Meghana Sri are writing. Make it fast, children. Write neatly. Krishika Ji is also writing. Sri Hasan, Shrivas, you are also writing. Write soon. Write neatly, children. Mistakes. Don't write mistakes. Aniksai. Aniksai.
Yes, ma'am.
You write neatly, Aniksai. Your handwriting is very dull. You
Okay,
got
ma'am.
very less marks in your notebooks. You know that?
Yes.
Ah, you have to write neatly. You should improve your handwriting.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashrit Rao, Shreyan, Devansh, are you writing?
Sir.
Jay, Dhriti,
Yes, ma'am.
Kushal Sanjay, Yes. Dhriti, can you tell me the chapter 1 name?
Of Heidi.
Yes. Pathan is ready. Yes, Pathan?
Amuppa.
Yes, Opa is the first chapter. Kushal, can you tell me chapter 2?
Chapter 2.
What is our chapter 2 name? Dhriti, are you ready with your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me chapter 2 name.
Chapter 2 name is Grandfather's House.
Grandfather's house. Kushal,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me chapter 3 name.
Chapter 3
How much time, Kushal? Devansh? Devansh, you are not there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you?
What is the chapter 3 name? In college, ma'am.
Jay? Jay? Jay is busy. He's not responding. Krishika ji,
Ma'am.
tell me the chapter 3 name. What do we have a chapter 3 of Heidi?
On the mountain, ma'am.
Yes, on the mountains. Good. And next, AVK Ganesh.
Ma'am, I don't have book, ma'am.
Oh, you have to buy then. You come to school and take the book. Akshaj? Akshaj? Akshaj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 4 name. You read the chapter 4. Advait Aryan, read chapter 4.
Grandmother.
Grandmother Akshaj. Yes.
Grandmother.
Okay. Okay. Lohit.
DT comes back.
What is that? Which chapter is that?
5.
Yes, deity comes back. So these are all the 5 chapters of Heidi which we are going to cover in this theme 4. And some grammar also we have taken. Those grammar parts also you should, okay, learn. We will learn through our online classes. So each and every period, each and every class is very important. You have to attend all the classes. You should not absent even for one day. Okay, children, show me thumb. Show me thumb. Will you attend all the classes every day or you are going to absent? No. Okay, good, good. Everyone will attend the classes. Very good. So tomorrow onwards, each and every topic one by one we will cover in this theme 4. Each and every topic is very, very, very important. Okay?
Important. Very important.
Very important topics. Yes. So are you going to miss
Yes,
these
ma'am.
topics?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, children?
No, ma'am.
No, very good. So you have to attend the classes regularly. You should be very, very attentive in the class. Okay?